Foldable phones are awesome, but let's be real. Most of them feel like bricks in your pocket. Samsung has spent the last 6 years making its foldables thinner, but those changes have been pretty small. No major upgrades, no real feature sacrifices, just incremental tweaks. But OnePlus, they're shaking things up. The OnePlus Open 2, or we could say the Oppo Find N5 in China, is set to be the thinnest, fastest, and most feature-packed foldable of 2025. Leaked hands-on photos show a device that's slimmer than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and even the current slimmest foldable on the market. Open it up, and it's not just bigger than its predecessor. It makes the iPad Pro look chunky. The crazy part: OnePlus didn't cut any features to achieve this ultra-slim design. Meanwhile, rumors suggest Samsung might remove features from the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, possibly ditching the built-in S Pen digitizer. And let's talk battery life, an area where foldables usually struggle. The OnePlus Open 2 is packing a massive 5900 mAh battery, a 23% boost over last year's model. That's way bigger than the Fold 6 or Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Plus, this time, wireless charging is included at an insane 50 watt speed, alongside 80 watts wired charging. Water resistance, another feature that was missing in the first-gen Open but is finally here. OnePlus Open 2 will be the first foldable with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, making it the most powerful foldable phone of 2025. In comparison, the Fold 6 is expected to run on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold gets the Tensor G4, both solid but not as powerful. Even Samsung's Fold 7 might end up using a weaker 7-core version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite instead of the full 8-core variant. The Open 2 is also bringing 16 gigs of RAM and 2 storage options, plus a new triple 50-megapixel camera setup. Samsung's image processing and AI tricks are impressive, but OnePlus is closing the gap fast. Samsung is making some changes too, especially with its China-exclusive foldable from last year, which is basically what the Fold 7 will be globally. It'll be thinner with larger displays, but losing the S Pen could be a deal-breaker for a lot of users. With the OnePlus Open 2 launching soon, Samsung might finally have some real competition in the foldable game. And honestly, it's about time. So, what are your thoughts? Would you pick the Open 2 over a Galaxy Fold? Let's talk in the comments.